Hello friends, my name is Marina. I'm the person behind Everything Marina Food Blog. Right here we bake macarons and other desserts. Today I decided to make a video about packaging. I know the Easter was last weekend and I've seen so many different macarons. They're all beautiful. Thank you for using my recipes. However, the packaging, we really need to talk about this. But the packaging, however, it was a problem. Some bakers don't know how to properly package macarons. I'm talking about safety of the macarons, about you selling these macarons and your customers will be eating after. Please, I will be leaving the link to a video where I'm sharing also tips how to package macarons, what to use and what not to use. I want to talk about very simple packaging that I found online. If you live in United States, it's available for purchase. I will be leaving link to each product that I'm using, and this will give you ideas for next holidays that we're gonna have in United States. We're gonna have Mother's Day. There is also wedding season. There is a first communion season coming up, and maybe just a simple birthday. I want to show you very simple packaging that you can purchase, and your macarons will look beautiful and, most important, safe when you're gonna give to your customers. The first packaging I want to show you, it's like a wreath. It's plastic, but you can see clearly. It has a cover, and each macaron has its own space. So it's really good when you're going to be transporting, for example, or you're going to be moving from one table to another. Look how cute they are. This macaron wreath packaging will be perfect not just right now. For example, for Mother's Day, I just used my white and pink macarons, but also think about later. There is fall macarons, there is Christmas macarons, and Christmas wreath, very popular everywhere. Just think about this. You can purchase right now and use it later. They come in different packaging, so it's not just one package. It's not just one container you can buy, but you can buy more and save. It just gives you idea. And look at this. My macarons, for example, like this size, it's quite large. I would say it's smaller than Ladurée macarons, but I feel it's large macarons. And my feeling, I don't put too much. I don't make them big, so they really fit nicely to that container and hold. Just look at this. They all fit in this packaging. I really love it. I will share definitely link to this, and you guys can have it too. It's great. It has a cover, so even if you're transporting, or maybe macarons will be staying on the dessert table for a couple hours, just cover with this plastic cover and they good. This is number one packaging. And after this video, I want you guys to vote which one is your favorite so far, number 1, 2, or 3. Just let me know what do you think. Another really great packaging, I also gonna leave the link. It's also plastic and it's clear, so your customers can see what they're purchasing. For example, it's also great for if you're going to be transporting for somewhere, if you're driving maybe with that dessert. Macaron staying stable, it's not going anywhere. It also has a cover. It's just a box, but it has own space for macaron. Some of my macarons are really, for example, like this. They smaller compared to the first one, but they also have enough filling. It's not too much, and they fit perfectly. Look at this. And this cover, and you can put like a nice note right here. What do you think? This is number 2 packaging. I really, really love it. However, the macarons will be a little smaller than probably you're usually making them. If you're using Silpad baking macaron mat, then definitely you need to make smaller because it's not going to fit in your box. But let me know, what do you think? Look, you can see what filling and how macarons look. It's really great packaging. I think so. And number 3, this is macaron tower. Very, very simple. It's basically, if you see me making larger macarons tower, I also purchased from Amazon. It's clear, it holds macarons. It's kind of maybe on a smaller size of macarons, but it holds many macarons. I can count even how many macarons in each packaging, and that will be in the description. I just don't want to waste time right now. But look at this. This packaging, it's not just macaron tower. It has this sides also, and it's really great if you, for example, gonna be transporting them somewhere. Oops, I guess some of them not gonna fit. And I don't want to ruin my macarons, but that's all right. I just want to show you how, it looks. You see, it's everything adjustable and everything movable. So if you want, maybe just make 2 layers, or if you want to put more on, this is 3 layers, but if you have enough macarons, I just didn't have enough. You can even make 4th layer. Let me show you. So basically, it clicks right there. And it's also good for, I ruined my macaron. But it's also great if you're going to be transporting somewhere. For example, if you're going to visit your friends and you maybe want to bring macarons. Here is great packaging. And then you open, and macarons can stay on this macaron tower. I did ruin one white one, but it's, and one purple, I guess. The one I put on the bottom, but that's all right. You get this idea, right? Great, great packaging. It also comes in not just one, it comes like 12 and 24. I will be leaving links below, of course. I feel like this is great packaging, and you guys can use it and sell your macarons as a home baker, or maybe you're a baker and you want to bring macarons to your friends. Here is some packaging. Yes, they plastic, I know, but sometimes in a white macaron box or different packaging that you have, you can't see really macarons, and customers really wants to see what they're getting when you open the box. My advice, if you're using the white boxes, use with the window that when customer open the box and when they close it, they can see actually what's in the box. So that's also that kind of advice I will give you. One more thing I want to tell you. Yes, it's plastic and it's very simple. What you can do to this packaging? You can add, of course, your note or your business card with the instructions how to properly serve and how to keep them safe, macarons in a fridge, or maybe you include all ingredients and your business name, your contact. You can use it right there inside the box or outside the box. Plus also use kind of like ribbons. Like if I have pink and white macarons, I would really add some green maybe ribbon, make a ball, and then put your business card. That will also give not just safety for macarons, because package can open, but also it will give that wow a little effect, like if you add a little bit colors. So this way I made white and pink macarons, but I didn't make green ones. I didn't have, for example, and I was using for something else. But if I add a little bit of green, this ribbon, just look how it's gonna pop the color. It's just wow, just giving you right away spring effect, that spring feeling. And don't be afraid to use different colors. I mean, don't mix like something unbelievably crazy, but why not to use a little bit of green, for example, and just make your macarons pop, especially for Mother's Day and for spring and summer. I feel it's really, really great addition if you're selling macarons. And I'm sure your customers will be liking. Let me know what do you think about packaging. Maybe you have your own packaging, maybe you have even your printed name and with the business cards, that's also, but I feel like for somebody, for beginners, if they making just macarons just for fun maybe, or maybe they just start selling macarons, just use something practical that you can have not just for one season, not just for like Easter season, but you can have all year round, and then just make different macaron colors and fillings, and you will have packaging right away for all different seasons. Like I said, Christmas, Mother's Day, or just spring or fall, like this wreath macaron packaging will be really, really great. I highly recommend to invest in something like that and then have it and all year round and sell and make money. Also, please do not spend so much money on the packaging. I know maybe as a beginner baker, you just want that, spend money on the packaging, on the tools. Just try to work with what you have, and when you build that kind of budget that you can afford for your packaging, then I will say then maybe invest in your label, in your business card, in your packaging with your business name. But right now, if you're just starting, just try to use something what you have. And even if you want to purchase just 12 of that wreath, it's totally fine, because you can add later if your budget allows. So that's me as a new baker, for example, when I was many years ago, that I was doing that. I wasn't just investing so much money in something that I don't know if I'm going to need it later, or even if I sell that many macarons. I never want to go below my budget. I always want to grow my budget for macarons. So that will be my advice to you too. And right here, I just want to show you closer the packaging, this wreath plastic packaging, how it looks. It holds macarons really well. It has this cover, and there is a space for each macaron. Like I said, it's very stable if you want to transfer somewhere. Look, this is just a regular macaron. That's how it looks. I feel it's perfect, really perfect. If you cover, and then if you add a little bit of ribbon green, there you go. The number 2 packaging, it's also, and look, this is just a little smaller macaron. If you want to compare, for example, to this one, it's almost the same size, but a little bit smaller. But right here, you place your macarons flat, and you see it also has cover. And this kind of packaging is really great if you want to decorate, for example, right here on top of macaron shell, and it will be served maybe like that. But in this box, it's flat. It's really great packaging. And the third packaging is this tower. It also has these 2 parts. I would really make my macarons even smaller just to fit this tower. It's really great because you can hold like that and transfer. It's kind of like a small bag. And then you can, and you can serve like that on a table. How many macarons did I break? I don't like to do this, but just for the packaging, I'm showing you. So let me know number 1, 2, and 3 packaging. Let me know in the comments what do you think. Thank you for watching, and happy baking, everyone.